Welcome back to the Popcorn Genius. Today I'm sharing 5 of my favorite popcorn flavors, so let's get poppin'. First up, we've got s'mores popcorn. What a classic campfire, tasty, delicious, awesome popcorn flavor. And so here we're popping it up. We've got our kettle that we're gonna be using. We've got our popcorn here, some amazing flavors. It's just phenomenal.
We're mixing up our kettle corn here. We're using chocolate glaze pop. We're getting it all popped up. Now we're already mixed in our golden graham cereal. And now we're throwing in marshmallows. And we got chocolate, graham crackers, and marshmallows. So awesome.
Second, we've got strawberry shortcake popcorn. What a great summer flavor. Awesome, amazing strawberry shortcake turned into popcorn.
We're using our Jolly Berry floss sugar. We've got some vanilla golden Oreos here. So first we're popping up our popcorn. We're making strawberry popcorn here using our floss sugar. And we're just going to town. Then we added in our crushed up Oreos in here. Some amazing crushed up Oreos with our strawberry popcorn. Look how great that looks. And now we're just melting up some white chocolate here. We're using our microwave. We've got it all melted up and we're just drizzling it on top. And you're gonna have this wonderful popcorn. This is so awesome. One of my top 5 favorites easily. Just the chocolate, strawberry, and cookies. It's just amazing. We like to utilize a fork here to drizzle on the chocolate. And look at that. What a beautiful product to sell or taste. It's so good.
Third, we've got unicorn popcorn. This popcorn was absolutely off the charts, crazy, awesome popcorn, so magical, just got the best flavors. It's got the best fun look to it, rainbows and everything else. It's such an awesome, awesome flavor.
We're putting together corn oil. We got our kernels. We're popping up this awesome kettle corn here. So we have multicolored popcorn. First up, this kettle corn, dump it in our bin. We add some more corn oil. We throw in our kernels and we pop another batch of popcorn. And this time we add in strawberry floss sugar because we want some nice strawberry flavored popcorn. So we get this all heated up and we add that to our kettle corn. Oh yeah, look at that, the multicolors there. We're cooling down our strawberry popcorn. Now we're adding in more corn oil. We got more kernels. We're gonna be popping this up with grape glaze pop. So now we're gonna have white popcorn, strawberry popcorn, and we're gonna have purple popcorn in here. Look at that. Look at that color difference in there. Look how awesome that looks. So cool. We're going to get that all mixed up, right? Because this is a really fun, unicorn popcorn is just a fun popcorn overall. Now we're going to melt our chocolate in here. We're using different colors of chocolate. We have our blue chocolate wafers. We melted those up, and now we're drizzling that over the top. Oh yeah, look at those colors in there. That's what's so cool about this. That's what's great about making popcorn. It's just imagination can just take you anywhere. We're gonna melt up some white chocolate chips now. We're drizzling those over the top. We're adding our strawberry marshmallows in here. How much more fun can you get? This is phenomenal here. Oh yeah, look at that, multicolors all over, drizzled on there. We added some sprinkles in here, some fun unicorn sprinkles. You can see the little unicorn candies in there.
Fourth, we've got watermelon popcorn. Now, watermelon popcorn's been viral on YouTube before, where someone's popping up watermelon popcorn using real watermelon, and it's totally fake. It does not work. But in this video, we're popping up real watermelon popcorn. It looks awesome, it tastes awesome, and it's a great way to make a really awesome summertime flavor. One of my top 5 favorites.
So in this case, we're just putting in corn oil. We got our kernels in there, and we are going to be popping this up with some sugar, and we're using watermelon flossin, which is the same thing they use to make cotton candy, but we're adding it to sugar, and we're getting this nice red watermelon sugar that we can use to coat our popcorn. And here we are just popping it up. Look how nice and red that is. So awesome. Such a great, fun summertime flavor. I love watermelon flavor too. And this is just an easy way that you can make this. It's not going to work with just using real watermelon and putting it in a bowl and frying it up. It just doesn't work. But this actually does. And look how awesome that is. So tasty, so delicious. Here we are cooling it down, stirring it around, getting those sugars to cool down and get crunchy. Awesome stuff. Love it. Whoa, look how coated that is. That one is so coated with sugar. It's awesome. And there we have it. Nice watermelon popcorn.
And finally, we've got chocolate caramel popcorn. This popcorn flavor was so popular at our popcorn shop. People loved it. You got this beautiful caramel popcorn with drizzled chocolate on it. I mean, it's just the flavors melt together perfectly. It is amazing.
In this case, we got our caramel glaze pop in there with our kernels and our corn oil, and it's popping up. And this brings me back to when the smells of this caramel corn are just phenomenal. We have it here in our cooling tray, and we're letting that cool down. We're just kind of letting it sit and cool down. We mix it up as we go, and it just gets that nice and crunchy. Now we need to get our chocolate on there. So we have our chocolate chips, put them in our bowl, a little bit of vegetable oil, just a little bit, smooth it out, and we pop that in the microwave. And what this is going to do is just easily turn it into this beautiful melted chocolate chips that we just drizzle right all over our caramel corn. Look how awesome that is. Once that sets up and hardens, oh, it's just a phenomenal flavor.
So there you have it. There's our top 5 popcorn flavors. These are just flavors that we made very easily. You can make these too. Remember, in life and with popcorn, you just got to get out there and get popping.